So I just had my biggest month on YouTube when it comes to ad revenue. I'm going to show you exactly how much money I made. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. For the past 8 to 9 months, I've been making a video update showing you guys exactly how much money YouTube pays me every single month. And it's mostly to show you my progress, to show you where I actually started when I started on YouTube. I basically had 0 subscribers, just like everyone else who starts on YouTube. And so far, as of making this video, I have 18,000 subscribers. But it's not just about how many subscribers you have. Having more subscribers doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna make more money. It's all about how many videos you have on your YouTube channel, what is your CPM for those videos, and best of all, how many views you're getting on a monthly basis. So the only reason why this month was one of my best months so far when it comes to ad revenue is mostly because I got more views. On top of getting more views, I was able to increase my CPM a little bit, which actually helps because that means that for every 1,000 views, I get to make a little bit more money. Now, if you want to learn exactly how I did that, this video that talks about exactly how you can increase your CPM for your own videos and some of the things that you can do with your own channel to make sure that you make more money for every 1,000 views. Now, even though this was one of my best months for YouTube ad revenue, it was also one of my best months for affiliate earnings. And that is mostly because the more views that I get on my videos, the more clicks and the more traffic that I get to my affiliate products and services that I promote in many of my videos. And this is why I tell you in every single video that you should never just depend on your YouTube ad revenue for your YouTube channel, because you should always be diversifying as much as possible so you can make money in many different ways. And if you still haven't downloaded my free affiliate marketing guide, go ahead and download it. It's over 40 pages teaching you how to make money with affiliate marketing, how you can monetize your YouTube channel and make more money. So you can download it, like I said, 100% free by clicking the link in the description below. So with that said, what I'm gonna do is jump into my Creator Studio and show you exactly how much I made. All right, so let's dive into my numbers for the past month. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select here for last month. And as you can see, for last month, I've made $951 with 28 cents. That is my biggest month on YouTube so far. But as you can see, for the last month, my channel received 104,305 views, and basically we got 1,300 subscribers. So if I click on revenue, you can see that my biggest day was this date right here, $47 with 25 cents. I've never made over $40 in a single day, and this was basically my first day surpassing that goal. So this is great. Hopefully over the next few months, it's gonna become a normal thing to hit, $40 to $50 per day in just ad revenue alone. So you can see I received a steady, 30 something dollars per day. This was another day of $40, but basically it was on average of $32, $31 per day over the last 29 days, which was last month. And most of my views are for videos talking about Facebook, because most of my subscribers are interested in the content that I put out about Facebook monetization, building Facebook pages, and those are the videos that get the most views on my channel. And for the previous month, I actually didn't put out any extra videos or anything like that. Basically, it's been just 2 videos per week, every single week. I'm very consistent with my videos. I like to make sure that I stick to my schedule, and this is one of the key aspects of succeeding on YouTube. You have to be consistent. If you're not getting enough views, if you're not getting subscribers, don't focus on the numbers right away. Just be consistent with your content first. Of course, you always want to be improving your videos, researching content, because that is what's going to get you the views, and the more views you get, the more subscribers you'll be able to get at the end of the month. And that is what's going to help you grow on YouTube. So this was one of my best months on YouTube when it comes to ad revenue. I'm hoping that this month, the month of March, I'll be able to reach over $1,000 in ad revenue. If I'm able to do that, it will be the first time that I've made over $1,000 in a single month with just the YouTube ad revenue. And even though $1,000 doesn't sound that impressive, it is impressive for me because it took me a lot of work to get to this point. I've spent a lot of hours and a lot of my time creating this type of videos, uploading, editing videos to get to this point. Even though I'm able to make more money in some other stuff that I do, this YouTube channel has become one of the best investments that I've made when it comes to my efforts, my time. And because of that, I've been able to grow every single month for the past 2 years. So guys, if you're watching this video, if you're one of the people who have subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you for subscribing, for liking my videos, for watching my videos, and I really appreciate it. Hopefully my videos will continue to bring you lots of value and help you with your own online journey. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.